Hello, afternoon, everyone. Scott Lail, Fire Chief, Cleburne Fire Department. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's gotten a little bit warm on the outside because it looks like we're going to have a nice long week of hot weather. So what we want to do is put out a little PSA to help people think about how to stay safe in weather like this, because it can be very dangerous, even fatal in some cases. So let's just quickly talk about a few things. First of all, we've all heard about heat cramps. Everybody likes to go outside in Texas in the summer. We have a good time. Heat cramps, everyone's had them. They seem a bit benign, no big deal. You drink some water, maybe a sports drink, get cooled off in the shade, and everything's fine. The important thing to remember, though, is if you start having heat cramps and you don't intercede or don't do something to cool off, it can quickly go to heat exhaustion. Big, bad, throbbing headache, profuse sweating, very hot, even maybe fainting, level of consciousness may drop. Those people need to be moved to a cool environment, an air-conditioned environment, and they need to be able to get some cool water in them. I will caution you, though, be sure that you don't give them too much, because if someone's level of consciousness is down a little and you start trying to make them drink water, you can make them have a reaction where they actually throw up and aspirate some of that water. Not a good thing. If from heat exhaustion we don't stop that continuum, then it quickly can go to heat stroke. Heat stroke characterized by body temperatures of 103 degrees Fahrenheit or more, and then that classic sign, hot, dry, red skin, no sweating. Those people need 911. They are in a true medical emergency. You may see nausea, vomiting, fainting, coma. In some cases, you may even see death. So it's vitally important that we get to those people someplace that's cool. We get them cooled off, and you make that 911 call. Just a couple of other tips to go along with it quickly. If you're going to be outside, try to schedule your activities in the morning or the evening when it's cool. If you're going to be outside, make sure you stay hydrated. I know we all like an adult beverage, but just remember, those don't hydrate you. Those actually hurt you. So plenty of good water. Some of the sports drinks are good, but also try to avoid overly sugary drinks, because those work against you also. Sunscreen, be sure to use sunscreen when you're outside, and try to take some frequent breaks where you get out of the sun, get someplace cool, get someplace air conditioned. If you're in the pool, that's fine, but remember, your body's getting hot when you get out, so make sure that you take care of yourself. Two other big things to remember: always watch your kiddos and your pets. They also suffer from heat. Kiddos get hot faster than adults do. Make sure you don't leave them in a car or your pets in a car. And the last thing we're going to ask you to do is, if you have neighbors, maybe some elderly neighbors, and maybe you don't know if they have air conditioning, please take the time to walk across and check on them and make sure that they're okay. I hope this helped you out. I hope you guys have a great summer, and I hope everybody stays safe. If you have any comments, hit us below on the comment line, and we'll be glad to talk to you. Have a great summer. Thank you very much.